So the next topic in master data management, purchasing info record. Purchasing info record, PIR, we can call it as shortcut name, is also kind of master data. Purchasing info record is a source of information for purchasing. It contains information on a specific material and a vendor supplying the material. For example, the vendor's current pricing is stored in the info record. The purchasing info record is called as a info record generally. So the type of purchasing info record. So we have different type of purchasing info record. The one is standard info record. Another one is subcontracting info record. Third one is for pipeline info record. Fourth one consignment info record. So these are all the major different type of purchasing info record. So what is meant by standard info record? So info record with a material master record, for example stock materials. This type of info record represent the relationship between the material or service and vendor for which a master record is exist in the system. So info records without material master records, for example consumable materials, this type of info records represents the relationship between a material or service for which no master record exists and a vendor. So under the standard info record we have two types, and then second one is subcontracted info record. A subcontracted info records contains ordering information for subcontract orders. For example, if you subcontract the assembly of a component, the subcontractor info record would conclude vendor's price for assembling the components. Third one is pipeline info record. So this type of pipeline info records contains information on a vendor's commodity that is supplying through a pipeline, for example oil, water, gas, electricity supply through mains. The info records contains the vendor's price for the consumption of such commodity by the buyer. You can store withdrawals and usage prices for different validity periods. So this is called pipeline withdrawals. The fourth one is consignment info record. In consignment info record, the vendor keep the material stock in your campus, but it is belongs to the vendor until you withdraw the said material for processing. When you consume some quantity from the stock, then the liability is created by vendor. So now we are going to SAP system. We can create the one type of purchasing info record, which is standard info record. Go to SAP system. For creating standard info record, /n ME11 T code, enter. Here we need to select our supplier and then select our material. Enter plant QP01, enter. Here we need to select material. I am going to select this material, bolt. After that enter the purchase organization QPSO, enter the plant QP01. So after that info record, there is no need to maintain anything. And then info category, we have four types as we see in our PPT document: standard, subcontracting, pipeline, and then consignment. So system always available in standard info category. After that enter. Here we need to enter the supplier data informations. We are going to enter the reminder. So first reminder I am going to set in second day, second reminder fourth day, third reminder sixth day to deliver the material, and then enter. Here we need to enter the plant delivery time. What is meant by plant delivery time? So when we are releasing the purchase order, We need to get the material from our supplier, from releasing the purchase order to reach the material to our plant from our vendor side. This is called plant delivery time. I'm going to fix 8 days our plant delivery time. Purchasing group QPG, and then I'm going to enter the standard quantity for our order 1000. So we can fix minimum quantity and then maximum quantity also. After that we need to enter the price for this particular material per product 100 rupees. After that, save the data. Purchasing info record created. Thank you.